Where's he at? We come in here 400 yards, spook treat on the Chevy. We're gonna raise the hood.
That's a big one there.
Let's see what's in there, Ryan.
Got it?
Look at there, guys. What do you think of that?
Yeah, there's another one. I see him right there.
Three.
Two.
There's 3 coons underneath this old Chevy.
2 at least.
That's what good old Chevy's used for.
Big old coon there.
Look right here on top of this motor. Tell me they ain't been staying right here.
There's his head right there, Mike. Right there.
Oh, look at that.
We got 2.
All right, boys.
Us.
3 in the Chevy.
I don't know where the other 2 are, but they're right back there somewhere.
There's one right there.
Yeah, right there. There's 2. There's one right there and one right below him.
2 in that tree. That's 5 right here. All right, we're gonna get him gathered up. Move on. We'll get y'all on the next drop.
Good boy.
All right, guys, second drop. Spook treat on this big old sycamore. Den tree. Can't find nothing on the outside. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There he sits, guys. Alright, we're going to take care of him. We'll see y'all on the next drop.
Talk to him, boy.
Alright, guys. That's the 3rd drop tonight.
I think we can cross right here, too.
We walk 800 yards down here. There's a little spook. Come up there.
He ain't looking, he's looking straight up.
Put your light on him.
Right there. Right in the middle of that flashing. You can see his tail there. Oh, that might be too bright.
But there sits your coon right there, guys. See him right there?
Yep.
There. All right, we're going to shut her down. This is my last drop tonight. I'm tired. We'll catch y'all later.